Hi everybody, it's Stephanie. I want to show you a product from Comfee, from this brand name Comfee, and they asked me to do a review of this product. This product is a toaster oven, an air fryer toaster oven with a whole lot of other functions. It does pizza, it toasts, it bakes, it broils, it reheats, it sears crisp, it air fries, it air roasts, it rapid bake, and it dehydrates. Now, they asked me to do this product for them and show my my personal opinion about it. And I did other videos for them, and yeah, the product is pretty good. So I said, all right, I'll do this, And so, what came in the box actually was the oven, and there's some materials here. The air fry oven, instructional manual, this tips and trick guide right here, and it has a back so you can just like do something really quick. This is a product registration card, and here's some air fryer oven cookbook and a quick start guide. Here's the quick start guide, which you should look through. Be better than me, because I didn't look through it really. I looked through it quickly, but not really, because I use air fryer ovens a lot. So I'm just gonna, wing my way through this one. So there we go. But anyway, I want to show you this product, and I want to show you the things that it came with. It came with this. This is an air fryer rack, and it came with this sort of broiler tray that, generally they all have. There's a broiler tray here. And it also came with a rack, this rack that's here. And it came with a crumb tray. I don't know if I have it in here. Yes, I do. This crumb tray is in here. What you have to realize is that you got to put it underneath the heating element. So this crumb tray goes underneath the heating element and goes down like that. So I figured that part out. So what I'm going to do is wash it up, and I want to actually make a pizza that I got from Costco today, just so I can see that this will work. So I'm going to wash up the pieces, and then I will be back. Okay, guys, this is a Costco frozen pizza, a thin slice frozen pizza. I am going to put it in the Comfee, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Okay, I got this pepperoni pizza right here, and I have this tray I'm going to put it in, and I put parchment paper on it to help, catch some of the drippings and stuff like that. And it is on cardboard. So let me take the cardboard off, and we're going to put the pizza in the tray like that. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to I'm going to press the function. The function is on pizza, and you press through the functions to get where you want to go. So it has the minutes and the temperature on here, and you're supposed to press through these things to see where you want to be. And I'm going back to pizza. You can check the temperature is here. Temperature and darkness is here. So the temperature is at this point 410 degrees. Well, I'm going to make it 400 and okay. I pressed it. Oh, sorry. I pressed the temperature. Now I need to move the arrow down here. This arrow right here. Well, this button right here. And let's go to the, let's see, the time, and it's on 12, it's on 12 inches, I guess, and the minutes is at 10.5 minutes. I think I'm gonna leave it on 10.5 and see what happens, okay? And that's how this thing works. So it does have the size of the pizza, and it also has the temperature of the minutes of the pizza also on the same line, basically. So what I want to do, first I want to put this thing in here so I know I'm in here. I need it in. Stick it up here. All right, we're gonna stick it in the oven and try to get it to where it says it should be on here, which is about right there. According to this is where it's supposed to be. Then I'm just gonna press the power right now. I'm gonna press the power. Excuse me, let me do this again. Press the power. Press the function. Pizza. Press and I'm gonna make it 425. And I'm gonna press the time on it twice. And then there's the time at 10:30. And then I'm gonna press start right here. So it goes on. So there it goes. I got it on for 10.5 minutes. The box says 12 to 15 minutes. So let's see what it does at 10.5 minutes. I will be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I am back. I'm taking this pizza out of the oven here, and it is brown. Be careful. You will need a pot holder taking the stuff out of here. Okay? This was a big pizza per se. I guess it was 12 inches. I would assume. What I'm gonna do is try to get it. Oops, I done burnt my doggone self. And what I try to do is get that thing off of here. All right? Because it's hot. Be careful, as you can see. Okay. Take it off of here, which does make things much better. When you put a piece of parchment paper on here, it does make it much easier to handle. So that is a suggestion that Comfee says, and they are correct about that. Okay, guys, you see the machine, and you see my pizza, and now I'm gonna cut it. This pizza cutter here. I'm gonna give it a go, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about this pizza right here. And what I think, I can tell you it came out nice and crispy. I'm telling you now, I do like this thing for cooking pizza. It is really doing a great job. Because sometimes pizza, especially frozen pizza, is like a pain in the butt to be trying to eat, trying to cook in there, where it comes out nice and crispy. And I first of all, the sides, these sides are really, really crispy. I'm gonna slide it on here. You see what pizza look like? Looks good. Kind of looks like a Costco pizza. See the back of it? It's thin crust. It's really hot. Give me a minute. All right, I'm gonna try this pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna tell you what I think. It's a little tiny, it's a very little tiny slice, but it is what it is. And got pepperoni. Let me just go for it like that, because it's hot. But it's really not bad. I'm gonna tell you, where I am now, this is not, they don't make anything like a New York pizza. So I need to find something close as I can to a New York pizza, because I do like pizza at times, and I just haven't been able to find that around here. This is very hot, so I cooked it very nicely, and I cooked it in less than what the package said, which was 12 minutes to 15. Cooked it in 10.5 minutes. And I got it good. It's nice and crispy. Everything is cheesy and gooey. All is well. I'm giving it a New York taste now. Now, remember, this is Costco pizza. And Costco pizza is okay. For me, this is even better because I like a thin crust pizza. I don't really like the thicker ones. Perry likes thicker ones, but I kind of like it thin like this. And it's really not bad. So I would recommend the pizza frozen, as well as the Comfee oven. Comfee oven right there. And I do recommend this oven. I really do. It's a toaster oven. So it's not, you know, not just a microwave oven, and it's smaller. And especially if you want something, you want to be cooking and you don't have a lot of space, but you could use a new toaster oven if you like toaster ovens. This does a whole bunch of things. I think it's 10 functions on here. It does 10 functions, and I do like this, I must say. I thank you, Comfee, for sending it to me, for me to test it out, and I'm telling you that I actually do like this oven. And thank you again. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Please continue to do that. I'm still around. I've been doing other stuff, but I am still around, and I do love my appliances and my kitchen and cooking. So stick with me. So I appreciate you.